CABA stock analysis and CABA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Cabaletta Bio stock, it's already $2, 10.5% increase just Friday. When I zoom out, I'm not sure that it's really a bullish thing. Yeah, I mean, I already talked about this before. Got like 2 sells on this side. You might think I'm lying too, but here's the proof. Here's the video demonstration. Proof of me calling it out way beforehand. So I'm saying this was made, yeah, look at it, was 350 at the time, 6 months back. This is last year. And then since then I got one more. Said if there's a double break, willing to take it down. That was the first break. Second break, if it does hit beneath 170, I'm rolling with the punches, just to like a buck, you know, to $1. This is for now and not forever, for sure. Like, I do have previous receipts here with CABA. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.